guys, welcome back to
We're the Fantastic Five
on the top of the hills, and I'm going to show you how dinner gets prepared in Kumasi. Hey, here we have my handsome son
No.
and hubby preparing. What is it you're cutting up here, honey?
Making yam fries.
Yam fries. What's the difference between yam and yuca?
I don't know what's yuca.
Okay, Spanish yam. So here is cutting it up. I'm going to show you. Hey, come from the fire. We'll be cooking it on that.
No gas. We don't want
No gas, just charcoal.
real traditional way.
You move from there.
We don't have gas, but we're not using
Yeah, we do have gas. He wants it on the charcoal for whatever reason. What's the reason?
because it tastes better.
Oh, it tastes better. So let me show you what the yam looked like before. Here, let's go. Look at the yam. This is the plantain. Let me put my light on. This is the plantain on the stalk. And over there is the yam. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, and this is contombre. It's like spinach. And here we have organic red onions, limes, and other stuff. Okay, come this way. This is an outdoor kitchen. People don't like to smell like their food in Ghana, so they cook outside of the house. Is that correct? Is that a correct statement?
That what?
You don't like to smell like your food, that's why you cook outside the house?
That's pretty much what it is. People, kitchen food stays outside. You sleep indoors.
Hey,
You
come.
eat inside.
It goes dark quickly, eh? It was just like...
Like this way, yeah. Through the- Oh, but so, see, outside.
I work hard for your food.
Mommy. Yeah. No. Woo. Baby.
Pop it. Come sit here.
Go sit next to mommy.
Here. Sit here. Although, I don't want any little ants crawling up my food. Right in your face.
I just went.
Okay, hold on.
I just went to a church and came out.
Smells good. Smells good.
Daddy, what is that?
That's how you cook. That's called crock pot. It's a pot. Coal pot.
Coal pot.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm out.
It's not hot enough? You put it in?
No, I just touched it.
What is that stains there? The black stuff?
Yeah, it's just from other frying. It's starting to get hot, so it's not really hot yet.
So my fan game's not
It's
legit?
getting hot, but once this hot like this, that's why I use this kind of pot.
We got plantain.
Once it gets hot, it keeps the heat. That's why I didn't use a frying pan or whatever, because these stuffs keeps the heat longer.
Okay. And his grandma is 80 and looks amazing. And one of the secrets is not eating after 6 p.m. And
It's not a secret.
I need to do that. But I don't know. I'm going to taste this just for you guys. So you guys are ruining my dinner plans. But after that, from now on, nothing in my mouth after 6.
Not bad. Just put all the plants in everything.
Ooh, look at that fire go. Ooh. Canadians abroad. It's 6:30. Look at that fire. We don't need no water. Let the burn. Yes, plantains burn. All right, we thinks he's a better fanner than me. You okay, babe? We gotta keep that little guy away from the fire. Probably get better with the light off, eh? How's it going, babe?
I don't know what the hell happened to the light. It just started flickering and it just went down.
That's the yam. Okay. Plantain's looking nice.
It's
still going.
Oh, but you don't know
How long have you been? This all you got in all that time?
I've been eating.
Oh, you've been eating, eh?
Kitchen don't know
Where's the beans? You gonna play some drums for us while the food is cooking?
Be careful, my phone is there.
I'm better than him.
And then buy it.
Your phone is on your ear.
And it you can do.
Let's see.
Because we put them into the chairs. See, our friend, or one of my friend, I mean, you are.
You need practice.
Okay, wait, I'm on the phone.
Oh, what's those moves, Kingsley?
I go get my drum.
In with them because it's $7 I don't care what I want. Or today, catch them in so how you been in bowl system that usually something like that.
Is that ready? African French fries.
Shawarma.
A veggie shawarma.
Shawarma inserts.
Mm.
No.
Need sauce.
Only the everybody.
Need something to dip in it. Dry.
No, only concrete.
I prefer my yam boiled.
Naomi, again, I would do. Banku, already banku.
Plantain.
That may to buy anything they be a bamboo they give you car. So make them going.
Plantain's nice and crispy.
Okay.
And this is the second part. This is, what is this called? What's the Ghanaian word for this? It's a bean stew, black eyed peas. It's made with palm oil and tomatoes. Oh, I see steam, so it must be warm, but maybe not. It was in the fridge because we ate this yesterday. I think the day before. It was made yesterday. We're just heating it up on our outside fire. Yes, still at it. It's been about 2 hours. We ate all the plantain, but there's still some yuca. Oh, look, there's still some plantain. So we're gonna eat that together. You got some on your plate? Oh, that's the other stuff.
Because I want to empty the pot. So
oh, okay. This is eggs. This is Ghanaian scrambled eggs.
Yeah, it's not.
It's eggs and
Egg stew.
Egg stew. There you go. Oh, you got help yourself, baby.
Really?
It's yummy. It's yummy. Sorry, the light's bothering you.
Yeah. The fire, please. Can you put it in?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Kingsley, I think you can stop now.
Thanks for all your hard work, son. Okay. You can save that for me.
What?
The little scoop that's left.
So you're gonna come there and take it?
I'm gonna come and take it.
Okay.
All right. Good work, honey. Good work, son. Thank you. Thank you. You come for more plantain?
I told you it's hot. You thought I was joking?
Oh, you tried to touch it?
It's hot.
No.
There's a fire. It's on the fire.
Don't touch the pot at all. It is hot.
Angie's stealing the plantain.
I'm going to bed if you are going to cheat. But I don't understand why.
Yummy. Okay, bye, honey. The meal is done. It took a couple hours. We started before 5 p.m. No, around 5 p.m. he started. And it's now around 8 o'clock. And I'm setting over a new leaf. Oh, look. There's... We got a pet. Is it? We got a chicken. Oh, look. Look who's... Ooh, ooh, ooh.
We have supper right now.
Hi.
It pooped! It pooped!
Be scared if he pooped.
Ew!
Aw. He's just hungry. Yeah, he just wants to eat.
Look at you, little fatty! Get a gas and chilling.
Oh, these kids have been chasing chickens since they've been here. Oh, he's shaking. You don't want the light on you, eh? Please don't run to me.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's gonna cut the string. Uh-oh, she's setting you free. She's setting you free. Oh, look how sharp those paws are.
Chicken, I'm gonna run! Come on, Gigi. This is our plan.
Oh, there we go. You did a
You got a
chicken?
chicken to play with. Mommy?
Yeah, that's the chicken.
Yeah. Is it a pet or is it lunch? Go, Kenji.
I think.
Now, Belly, you need some more. Go. Say hi.
Can you say hi to the chicken?
Let's get some. Yeah. I'm gonna go here.
Oh, I almost fell.
I do that too. Oh, it's gonna attack. It's gonna attack whoever gets close. Don't let it get It's gonna hit him if he gets close. It's gonna poke him if he gets close.
Oh, don't come to me.
And it makes that clump sound. It's gonna bite you.
Here, you go film the chicken. Oh, he's. Yeah.
Watch out for the poo.
Fatty.
Where is the
DJ just stepped in it.
Nope, it's right there.
Okay, that's. It's gonna go on your drum.
You like the poo poo? Poo 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 poo. Poo poo. How you doing, poop?
More wants to say hi.
Little cock.
Get to kill the chicken.
I want to catch one, not kill one.
How about you, Ken? Get off of me. Okay, here, give me the camera.
Wait, can you walk with me?
Okay, let's walk. Here. He doesn't like the light. Ooh, Ken, you brave.
He's gonna bite him.
He doesn't have teeth.
He's gonna.
Yes? Oh, you're gonna wake us up all morning now? All night?
You big fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken. Come here.
Oh, Kenji, you're brave. Watch out for the poop. You're brave, Ken.
I was getting. Mommy, you almost stepped in. Mommy. Here. Mommy. You big
Yes?
fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken.
Thank you.
Come here. You big fat chicken. Come here. You big fat chicken. Come.
Go, Ken.
You're breaking Kingsley.
Aw, he's sitting down. He just wants to chill.
Eggs for us.
He is laying eggs? I don't think he lays eggs.
She is laying eggs for us.
What's going on here, guys?
Look, made a food tray. Put
Let
water.
me see. Oh. Oh,
We're gonna
nice.
And get some breadcrumbs.
Okay, they're making a little. We got some Canadian pumpkin seeds, some bread.
And some ants. Yep.
Ants are always available. Okay, that's. They're making a room for the chicken. Oh, they got the chicken in its own water bottle.
No, here.
He doesn't want it.
Oh, they put water in the leaf. Oh, you guys are so cute.
Look, there's ants going to it.
He's Are you scared?
Let's go hide somewhere.
Can I open the garage?
No.
Kenji, you're getting a little too brave over there.
It's right there. It's gonna poop on it. It's gonna poop on it.
Guys, leave him.
Okay, bye. Good night. Yep, Daddy's right. It's trying to fly away. Why you drop the seeds?
He's afraid.
It's okay, no boy. All right, good night, y'all.
Fantastic 5 is out. Ka-chow.